Welcome to the channel. Today I want to introduce you a walker that really makes the difference, the Stander Wonder Rollator. Do you know that product that is practical, stylish, and super easy to use? Well, the Wonder Rollator was thought to bring mobility safely, without giving up style. So stay with me until the end of the video, because I will tell you every detail that makes this model unique. And I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Your support is very important for us to continue bringing content to improve your day-to-day. Compact and foldable design. Ever thought of a walker that fits in just about any space? With easy fold-and-go technology, the Stander Wonder Rollator is up to 3 times smaller than regular models, taking up a space of just 10 by 11 inches. This means you can take it wherever you need to go, without worrying about space. And I know what you might be thinking, is it really tough? Yes, it's compact in size, but super robust in structure. So much so that many people who have already bought comment that they did not expect to find something so practical and durable. Compact seat with back support. You know that moment when you're out and just need a quick place to rest? The Wonder Rollator comes with a non-slip seat that holds up to 250 pounds, and the back support helps maintain comfort without compromising mobility. Want more practicality? The Stander Wonder Rollator comes already assembled. That's right, you take it out of the box and it is ready to be used. No tools or complicated instructions, just adjust the height of the handles and you can adapt the walker yourself quickly. And before we continue, and to facilitate your reliable purchase, we leave the link below. You will be directed to the secure platform. Remember to add the product to the cart to activate the lowest value of the day and can installment on the card. The 6-inch wheels were made to ensure stability both indoors and outdoors. It adapts well to more uneven terrain, and the rear brakes are easy to use and help a lot when they need extra stability. The Wonder Rollator brings a stylish design that goes far from the medical look. Available in 3 colors, it allows you to choose the one that best suits your personality. Finally, a walker that matches your style. If you think such a compact design can compromise stability, know that it has been designed to fit even the smallest spaces without losing safety. And to make it even better, the Wonder Rollator comes with a satisfaction guarantee. If for some reason it does not meet your expectations, you can count on the return policy for your peace of mind. So if you are looking for a walker that is practical, reliable, and full of style, be sure to check out the Stander Wonder Rollator. Click the link below to secure your and before you complete your purchase on the safe platform we recommend, add the product to your cart to activate the special discount of the day. And take the opportunity to subscribe to the channel. Every week, we bring tips of products that really transform your day.